Now come out to the come out like this.
Yes.
Now you find the combo. You know that our last 2 weeks talk now.
Okay.
You see, make I go also for money. I tell you, say I need one of the girls. Make find me one. Make I take the cheap. But you see, I need to bring money.
You get money?
Whether I get money. If you see the kind of money within my account like this now, you will not see man don't stand. I don't stand like this now. My eyes are the breathe.
You sure say you get money?
2 weeks now I use also for this thing, oh. I better find me one of the girls this time. Make I take.
That's a go buy card. Oh. Find me 1,000 naira there for connection fee. Sure say this money no be fake, sha.
It shall be fake. Then after me and you begin to live for this compound. Waiting a fake for your eye.
Jesus Christ, how old are you?
Hello.
Hello?
Esther, where you dey?
I dey home now.
You fit show?
Okay, sir.
The guy say make you give am 20 minutes, say they come on.
Okay, 20 minutes. Yeah, I still there around.
32 minutes later.
Just they play.
Now the girl with this.
Okay, now she with this.
Yes.
Oh, okay, now she with this. No wahala now.
May I dey do something for inside now.
Yeah, come now. You never tell me the price now. How much be your money?
Baby girl, how far?
It depends on what you want. 0 overnight, or 1 hour, or 2 hours.
You mean I don't like all this hour something. I go like from now till tomorrow morning, like 6 o'clock. Then you be going home. You understand?
300.
See, the ordinary 300 naira, you dey tell me, say, guy, you don't too look me down, no. This one I see finish 300 naira. Now you make you stress me for 2 weeks. 300 naira. I carry 1,000. Go find me change. Waiting there na 300 naira. They also since 3 weeks now.
It's 300,000. I'm not talking 300.
300,000.
300,000.
Hey! Mike, everything she talk. 300,000.
Yes.
Now this one be another. I don't understand. Mike, how to bring her 300,000? Take that again. Not be this way they here. I be this thing. She get good for you. Now Frankie says they take plaster this thing. And I took away Gucci naked. You dey fear God. And then the thing nefe. Which God will this girl deserve? We have to use 300k. Take knock am overnight. Waiting I want knock here. Waiting call. So if I give you 300,000, you go collect.
After all, the wise one say use what you have and get what you want. Eh?
I don't even feel pay this girl 10k. Any guy will go give 10,000. Wait till I go drink that night. I go knock am till morning I no go come. Hey! And until I come, she no dey go anywhere.
I thought you said make you make money.
Make I make money 300k to take knack babe. If I spend 300k on top this knacking, how much I go use buy drugs? So I go take knack am. Because you know if you tell me say I go knock this girl 300k for nothing like that. I go drink bagba. Wait till I go drink nasara. You go to your room, they hear sound from the other side.
Oh, baby girl, you don't come. No, baby, I'll give you 250.
I go give girl 250. My God, you go give her 250. No wonder you never get one single block since you come this Lagos.